Mga ka-nose! Welcome sa aking YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Michael Diasto. And for today's episode 28, must-try drinks by Mr. J Milktea Shakes Juices Iloilo. Mr. J Milktea Shakes Juices Iloilo is located at basement area of Gaisano capital, Lapaz, Iloilo City. They also offer discounted price on their selected drinks for free delivery, minimum of 4 cups within Iloilo City area. And for certain areas, especially for Villa, SOOC, LANIT, Balantang, SAVANNAH, for minimum of 6 cups. And regarding for delivery time, starting 11 a.m. until 5 p.m. with no rush orders. Full list of menus and delivery details I'll be providing in the description down below, and this episode is sponsored by Mr. J Milktea Shakes Juices Iloilo. And disclaimer lang po, this is my own opinion and my own standards when it comes to taste test reviews. Hi there mga kanos! So these are all large size for 700 ml. So in-arrange ko na po to mga kanos per category. So let's start. For our first drink under Mr. J recommended products is their Oreo Milktea for large size, 100 pesos. Yung na-impress ako dito, yung unang magkikin sa akin is yung tea essence, which is good. Yung Oreo granules niya, sobrang dami, on point siya. Hindi siya masyadong matamis, which is good for me. And for their pearls, sobrang lambot, sobrang easy to eat. For our next drink under Mr. J recommended products is their mango and coconut juice for large size, 115 pesos. Nandun talaga yung mango essence niya, at the same time yung coconut juice. Perfectly blend siya, same time very similar siya sa flavor ng fruit salad, which is good. For our next drink under Mr. J recommended products is their Nutella Milktea with pearls for large size, 110 pesos. Sobrang sarap niya. Hindi nag-overpower yung kanyang sweetness, which is good. Kahit sobrang dami ng Nutella essence, and if you're a big fan of Nutella, this is a must-try drink for you. For our next drink under Mr. J Freshmilk, their mango fresh milk for large size, 130 pesos. Naging true sila when it comes to their ingredients, at the same time yung flavor. Especially for their pure fresh mangoes. As you can see nandito sa taas, at meron din portion dito sa baba. Tapos yung fresh milk niya, very creamy, which is good. Next drink under Mr. J Cheese Milkcover, Mr. Banana Avocado Cheese Milkcover for large size, 115 pesos. Ang sarap niya kasi nandun talaga yung pure avocado at the same time yung banana. Sobrang healthy drink siya. Hindi ko na-expect yung banana, avocado, and also for its cheese milkcover. Ang sarap ng combination niya. Hindi sila nag-overpower sa isa't isa. Nandun yung thickness at the same time yung essence ng dalawang fruit flavors. For our next drink under Mr. J Milktea with Pearl Matcha Milktea for large size, 90 pesos. Nandun talaga yung hinanap ko, yung thickness, at the same time yung matcha essence or yung dahon feel for this drink. At plus point siya sa akin kasi hindi nag-overpowering sweetness niya, which is good. For our next drink under Mr. J Milktea with Pearl, their Wintermelon Milktea for large size, 90 pesos. Surprisingly, hindi siya sobrang tamis, which is good for me. At the same time, yung wintermelon essence niya, right on point. Yung unang makikin talaga sa'yo is yung specific flavor for each of their products and their categories. For our next drink under Mr. J Fruit Tea, this is their passion fruit green tea for large size, 95 pesos. On point yung kanilang green tea essence for this drink. Well balanced siya. For passion fruit flavor, Mr. J uses their pure, freshest fruits for their drinks, so which is a plus for me. For our next drink, under Mr. J Fruit Tea or Mango Fruit Tea for large size, 95 pesos. Sobrang sarap din siya at less yung sweet niya, pero in a good way. Hindi nawawala yung mango essence niya, which is good. Pwede siyang alternative for milk tea if you're looking for a healthy option. For our next drink, under Mr. J Yakult, this is their passion fruit Yakult for large size, 105 pesos. Sobrang sarap din kasi they're using also pure natural flavors for this drink. At very present yung kanilang Yakult essence, which is good. And also yung natural flavor for passion fruit. Okay, for rating mga nos, for Oreo Milktea, I'll give this a perfect 10. For Mango Coconut Juice, I'll give this a perfect 10. For Nutella Milktea, I'll give this a perfect 10. For Mango Freshmilk, I'll give this a perfect 10. For Banana Avocado Cheese Milkcover, I'll give this a perfect 10. For Matcha Milktea, I'll give this a perfect 10. Wintermelon Milktea, I'll give this a perfect 10. Passion Fruit Green Tea, I'll give this a perfect 10. For Mango Fruit Tea, I'll give this a perfect 10. And for Passion Fruit Yakult, I'll give this a perfect 10. Naging true sila when it comes sa natural and pure fruit ingredients, especially for their drinks. At yung pearls nila, very consistent sila when it comes sa softness at very easy to eat. And especially for their milk tea, hindi naging absent yung kanilang tea essence, which is good for me kasi mas lalo kong appreciate yung drink, especially for a milk tea, and perfectly balanced at nag-well complement yung flavor at the same time yung tea essence for a milk tea product. So lahat po ng drinks dito by Mr. J, sobrang impress ako at first time ko matry lahat ng drinks nila in different categories. Yung masuggest ko, if you're looking for a healthy option, I would suggest si Passion Fruit Green Tea, si Mango Fruit Tea, and also si Passion Fruit Yakult. If you're a big fan of similar to fruit salad flavor, I would suggest si Mango Freshmilk at the same time si Mango Coconut Juice. At yung nag-stood out talaga sa akin na drink, si Banana Avocado Cheese Milkcover. I must recommend you to try this amazing fruit shake for Mr. J. Sa mga milk tea lovers, especially sa on-the-go drinks, I would suggest si Wintermelon Milktea, si Matcha, si Nutella, at the same time si Oreo. Thank you so much, Mr. J, Milktea, Shakes, Juices, Iloilo, for all of these healthy, natural, and amazing products that you presented for my vlog episode. Not only for their milk tea, but also for their fruit shakes and for their juices. So Mr. J maintains their good quality of product, good service, very accommodating barista and owners, and a certified drinking nose standards approved. So once again, thank you so much, Mr. J, and congratulations! Thank you for watching mga nos. If you like this video, please do like and share it to one friends. And if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell icon for more updates and latest happenings for my Drinking Nose channel. This has been your barista, Michael Brian Jesus saying, keep safe and bye!